And the Kolkata police are in fact suspecting murder in the case of a Bangladesh MP who was visiting the city but has now gone missing. The Bangladeshi Awami League leader Anwarul Azim Anar had reached Kolkata earlier this month, but he's gone missing and his phone is also now switched off. Police suspect that he's been murdered and that his body was dumped in Kolkata's New Town area. The MP's family had raised the issue with the Bangladesh Prime Minister, and her office subsequently informed diplomats in Delhi as well as in Kolkata. Let's take a look at some reactions coming in on this.
ভারতীয় পুলিশ জানিয়েছেন যে তিনি খুন হয়েছেন। তা আমরা ইতিমধ্যেই তাদের যে তথ্য ভারতীয় পুলিশ আমাদেরকে দিয়েছিলেন সেই তথ্য অনুযায়ী আমাদের পুলিশ, বাংলাদেশের পুলিশ এদের তথ্য অনুযায়ী তাদেরকে যারা খুন করেছেন কিংবা খুনের সঙ্গে সম্পৃক্ত ছিলেন আমরা যারা সন্দেহ করছি এবং তাদের থেকে যা আমরা তথ্য পেয়েছিলাম সেই তথ্য অনুযায়ী তাদের মধ্যে থেকে আমরা তিনজন অপরাধীকে আমরা আমাদের পুলিশ ধরেছেন।
सर बॉडी क्या मिल पाई है अभी
तक कोई बॉडी रिकवर नहीं हुई है। हम लोग इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं, जैसे ऐसे डेवलपमेंट होगा तब।
ब्लड स्टेन कुछ मिला है सुनने में आ रहा है।
अभी हम लोग क्या नाम है इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं, टीम गई हुई है फॉरेंसिक की, वो देख रही है।
ये फ्लैट
सर
किसका था?
कौन रह रहे थे इस फ्लैट में?
ये फ्लैट एक मिस्टर संदीप का है। उन्होंने वो एम्प्लॉई हैं एक्साइज डिपार्टमेंट में और उन्होंने किराए पे दिया था वन मिस्टर अख्तरुज्जमान को,
वो क्या फॉरेन
जो कि
नेशनल
यूएस नेशनल है। अभी तक इतना ही आया है, बाकी चीज़ें जो धीरे धीरे करके सामने आ रही वो अभी इस स्टेज में बताना ठीक नहीं। इन्वेस्टिगेशन
मोटिव ऑफ मर्डर
बस जस्ट मैं इतना ही कहना चाहता हूँ कि हम लोग अपना पूरा बेस्ट ट्राई कर रहे हैं इस केस को डिटेक्ट करने के लिए।
Right, Saurabh is still with us. Saurabh, so are the police now looking at this completely as a murder case? A murder case has now been filed in this matter. And secondly, how did this go from a missing persons complaint to a murder case?
Well, initially this was a missing persons complaint because the member of parliament from Bangladesh, who also is from the Awami League, the ruling party in Bangladesh, was here. And the information that, initially was there that this was a personal visit and he had come for medical treatment. But he had gone missing. His friend here with whom he had stayed initially filed a missing complaint. His family members in Bangladesh also got in touch with the Prime Minister's office in Bangladesh, and through diplomatic channels there was a request to look into this case. And of course the Barakpur Police Commissionerate had filed and formed a special investigation team to locate him. But the Criminal Investigation Department of the CID has taken over the case. You heard the IG1 CID, Mr. Akhilesh Chaturvedi, who's a senior police officer in the state, just addressed the media on the update in the case. And of course, there is a flat in this complex where sources tell us they found blood stains, and the forensic team is looking into those blood stains. The suspicion, sources say, is that the body may have been dismembered in an apartment in this housing complex and disposed of in nearby areas. And that is something that the police are looking at. The primary focus right now remains on locating the body. Also, police sources tell us that the last time around this MP from Bangladesh was seen alive was also seen on CCTV cameras at this housing complex. So this is, of course, the latest as far as he's concerned. They're looking for the body, but this is a murder case now. That's confirmed. The police have said they've received an input that he has been murdered, and they're forensically, examining the blood stains. And the fear or the suspicion is that the body may have dismembered and been disposed of.
Right, it is a murder case now that the police are investigating in Kolkata of this Bangladesh MP who had come for a visit in the city. Saurabh Gupta, thank you so much for joining us with that.